What does emission mean? The word emission refers to the act of producing or releasing something, especially gas, light, heat, or radiation. In simple words, emission means sending out or releasing something into the air or environment. Emission is commonly used when talking about pollution, gases, or energy released from vehicles, factories, or machines. For example, cars produce harmful carbon emissions. This means cars release gases that can harm the environment. Emission can also refer to the release of light, heat, or sound from a source. For example, the sun's emission of light and heat supports life on Earth. Here are some more example sentences. The factory reduced its gas emissions. Scientists study the emission of energy from stars. The government created rules to control vehicle emissions. Some similar words for emission include release, discharge, output, and radiation. In simple terms, emission means the release or sending out of something like gas, light, or energy. Easy way to remember. Emission means releasing something into the air or environment.